Hariom students, all of you are obeying the instructions given by our government for our safety. You maintain 2 meter distance away in public place. Always you remember it. Today we can study a new lesson, some applications of trigonometry. Applications of trigonometry. Trigonometry, we can apply trigonometry to find the heights, the height of a building without actually measuring it. We can find the height of a building using trigonometric ratios. Before that, we can study some important terms. Look at the figure. An observer is here. There is a tower, and an observer is standing, and a person is standing here, and this is the eye of that person. Then he is looking at the top of the tower. The observer is looking at the top of the tower. Then the line made by the eye and the top of the tower, this line is called a line of sight. This line is called a line of sight. Then the line of sight, then there is a horizontal line. The ground, there is a, the observer's eye, there is a line here, that is the horizontal line. Then the line of sight and the horizontal, the angle made by the line of sight and the horizontal line is called the angle of elevation. This is called the angle of, the angle made by the line of sight and the horizontal line is called the angle of elevation. And this is the observer's eye, and the line drawn from the observer's eye to the top of the tower. This line is called a line of sight, and the angle made by the line of sight and the horizontal line is called the angle of elevation. The person is looking the top of the tower. Then this is called the angle of elevation. Then look at the second figure. Here there is a tower, and the person is standing here, standing the top of the tower, and he is looking an object in the ground. He is looking at an object, that is, the object is in the ground. Then the line made by the observer's eye and the object is called a line of sight. Then what is the, this horizontal line is in the top. Then the angle made by the horizontal line and the line of sight is called the angle of depression. Here there is angle of elevation, and if he is looking up, then this angle of elevation, and if he is looking down, then it is angle of depression. Remember, this is angle of elevation. He is looking at the top, so it is angle of elevation. Here he is looking at an object in the ground. He is standing in the top of the tower and looking at an object in the ground, so it is angle of depression. Then this angle is called the angle of depression. Then you remember that while doing problems, if this angle is given, you can find this angle. What is the measure of this angle? Karthik, can you say what is the measure? This angle is theta. Then can you say what is this angle? Here look at the figure. These two lines are parallel lines and this is a transversal. So if this angle is theta, then this angle is also theta. This angle is also theta. You remember it while doing problems. You remember that if this angle is given, then you write if this angle is 30 degree, then this angle is also 30 degree. So if the person is looking at an object in the top, then it is angle of elevation. And if he is looking at an object, this is an object. Object in down. He is looking at an object in the ground, then it is angle of depression. Remember it. Then what is line of sight? A line of sight, the line drawn from eye of an observer to the point in the object viewed is known as the line of sight. The eye of an observer to the object viewed is known as line of sight. Then what is angle of elevation? The angle of elevation of a point is the angle made by the line of sight. Here the line of sight is this. By the line of sight with the horizontal line. With the horizontal line when the point is above the horizontal level. So what is angle of elevation is above the horizontal level. That is, the angle of elevation of a point is the angle made by the line of sight and with the horizontal line when the point is above the horizontal level. Then what is angle of depression? Angle of depression. The angle of depression of a point is the angle made by the line of sight with the horizontal line when the point is below the horizontal line. Here the point is below the horizontal line. Here the point is above the point means this object. Here the object is above the horizontal level. So we name it as angle of elevation. Here the object is below the horizontal level. So this is called the angle of depression. So you remember it. If the horizontal line, when the point is above the horizontal level, angle of elevation. When the point is below, point means this object. Which object we are looking, that is the point. If it is below the horizontal line, then it is called a angle of depression. Then you remember that if this angle is given, to find this angle, these are two parallel lines and this is a transversal. Therefore, if this angle is theta, then this angle is also theta. So remember, you write in your notebook, you draw this figure and write all the terms very neatly and study it well. Okay. It is very useful for you to while doing problems. Okay. Now we can do some problems based on it. First question. A ladder is placed against a wall such that it just reaches the top of the wall. The length of the ladder is 5 meters and the ladder is inclined at an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. Find the height of the wall. Here a ladder, this is the wall. AB is the wall and this is the ground. Then a ladder is placed against a wall. A ladder is placed against a wall. Then what is the AB is the let. AB is the wall. AB is the wall and AC is the ladder. AC is the ladder. AB is the wall and AC is the ladder. Then what is the height? The ladder is 5 meters. The length of the ladder is equal to 5 meters. Therefore, AC is equal to, that is, length of the ladder. Length of the ladder is equal to 5 meters. Here you are asked to find the height of the wall. This is the wall and you are asked to find the height of the wall. A ladder is placed against a wall. Then this is the wall and this ladder is placed here. Then this is the horizontal line. Then what is the length of the height of the wall? Then let H be the height of the wall. H be the height of the wall. Then here one angle is given. The ladder is inclined at an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. This is the ground that is inclined at an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. Then you are asked to find the angle of elevation is given and you are asked to find the height of the wall. Then which trigonometric, here we can just H is the height of the wall AB. Then here if we take the angle 30 degree, its opposite side is H and its hypotenuse is 5 meters. Then which trigonometric ratio you can use here? Ajay? Sin 30. Sin A is equal to sin C equals opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. That is equal to, here what is the opposite side? H by AC is 5. Then H by 5. Therefore, sin 30 is equal to H by 5. Here the angle is 30 degree and this the angle opposite, the side opposite to this angle is H and the hypotenuse is 5. This is the right angle triangle. Then it is equal to sin 30 is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, that is H by. Then what is the value of sin 30 degree? Sin 30 degree is equal to Adhisesh, what is sine 30? It is equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equal to h by 5. Then what is h? 2h is equal to 5. Then what is h? H is equal to 5 by 2. That is equal to 2.5 meter. Then what is the height of the wall? Therefore, height of the wall is equal to 2.5 meter. Here we use the ratio sign because here the one side the hypotenuse is known, that is 5 meter, and we are asked to find the height. Therefore, we use the ratio including this height, that is opposite side by hypotenuse, that is equal to h by 5. Then 1 by 2, sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equal to h by 5. Then 2h is equal to 5. H is equal to 5 by 2. That is equal to 2.5 meter. Therefore, height of the wall equals 2.5 meter. Therefore, we use the trigonometric ratio to find the height of the wall. Okay. A surveyor wants to find out the height of a tower. He measures the angle at A and finds that tan A is equal to 3 by 4. He finds that tan A is equal to 3 by 4. What is the height of the tower if A is 40 meter from its base? This is the tower. We can take the height as x. Then what is the height of the tower if A is 40 meter from the tower, that is from its base? Then what is AB? AB is equal to 40 meter. AB is given as 40 meter, and the height of the tower BC is equal to, we can take it as h. Then tan A is equal, here what is in the right angle triangle ABC? Here right, this is right angle at B. Then in a right triangle ABC, what is tan A? Tan A is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Here what is the opposite side? The side opposite to angle A is BC. That is BC by AB. BC by AB. Then in your question it is given that tan A is equal to 3 by 4. Then therefore we can write as BC by, here the LHS are equal, therefore RHS are also equal. BC by AB is equal to 3 by 4. BC by AB is equal to 3 by 4. Then what is AB here? Then AB is equal to 40, it is given. BC by 40 is equal to 3 by 4. Then what is BC? BC is equal to 40 into 3 by 4. 4 times are 40. That is equal to 30 meter. Therefore, in your question it is given that tan A is equal to 3 by 4. Then in right angle triangle ABC, tan A is equal to BC by AB. Then AB is equal to 40 meter. So, here the LHS are both are tan A. Therefore, 3 by 4 is equal to BC by AB. Then BC by 40 is equal to 3 by 4. Therefore, BC is equal to 40 into 3 by 4. That is equal to 30 meter. Therefore, what is the height of the tower? Height of the tower is equal to 30 meter. Therefore, height of the tower is equal to, here we use the trigonometric ratio tan. Tan A is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, that is BC by AB. Then BC by AB is equal to 3 by 4. From this we find the value of BC. BC is equal to 30 meter. Therefore, height of the tower is equal to 30 meter. The length of shadow of a tower on the plain ground is √3 times the height of the tower. Find the angle of elevation of sun. Here, the sun is here, and find the angle of elevation means this angle. This is the angle of elevation. Here, let h be the height of the tower. Can take h as the height of the tower. Let h be the height of the tower. Height of the tower. Then what is the height of the length of shadow? It is given that the length of shadow is equal to root 3 times the height of the tower. That is root 3 into height of the tower is h. Then if the tower is h, then what is the length of shadow? It is equal to root 3 h. Then what is tan theta here? Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. That is AB by BC. Tan theta is equal to AB by BC. Here AB is h. That is h by root 3h. You can cancel this h. That is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. Then which angles tan is equal to 1 by root 3? Which angles tan is equal to 1 by root 3, Pooja? 30 degree. Therefore, tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. Then it is tan theta is equal to tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. Here tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. Then we know that the tan of 30 degree is equal to 1 by root. So we can say that tan theta is equal to tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. Then what is theta here? Tan theta is equal to tan 30. Then what is theta? Theta is equal to 30 degree. Then what is the angle of elevation of sun? This is the angle of elevation of the sun. Then angle of elevation of the sun is equal to, therefore, angle of elevation of the sun is equal to 30 degree. Here it is given that the height of the tower is, we take the height of the tower as h, then the length of the shadow is root 3 times the height of the tower, that is root 3 into h. Then tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, that is AB by BC, that is equal to h by root 3h, that is equal to 1 by root 3. Then we know that tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. Therefore, tan theta is equal to tan 30 means theta is equal to 30 degree. Therefore, the angle of elevation of the sun is equal to 30 degree. A ladder of length 50 root 2 meter reaches a window 15 meter high. Find the inclination of the ladder with the ground. Then a ladder is reaches a window 15 meter high. Then this is the wall and the window is 15 meter high. The ladder is inclined. Ladder of length 15 root 2 meter reaches a window 15 meter high. Reaches the window 15 meter. What is the length of the ladder? 15 root 2. This is the ladder. It is equal to 15 root 2 meter. Then find the inclination of ladder with the ground. That is, you are asked to find the angle. This inclination of this angle means I are asked to find the angle theta. Then the length of the ladder is 15 root 2 meter and the reaches a window 15 meter high. Then AC is equal to 15 meter. Here AC is equal to 15 meter and AB is equal to 15 root 2 meter. Here the ladder is 15 root 2 meter length and it reaches the window 15 meter high. Then AC is equal to 15 meter and AB is equal to 15 root 2 meter. Then you are asked to find this angle inclination of the ladder, that is theta. Then here the right angle triangle ABC. This side is opposite to this angle and this is the hypotenuse. Then opposite side and hypotenuse are given. Then which ratio use here? Sin theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite side by AC by hypotenuse. AC by AB. Sin theta is equal to AC by AB. Then what is? Therefore, it is sin theta is equal to, here what is AC? Sine theta is equal to 15 by 15 root 2. That is equal to, we can cancel this 15, then it is equal to 1 by root 2. Then what is theta here? Sine theta is equal to 1 by root 2. Which angles? Sine of which angle is 1 by root 2? Sine 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. We know that sine 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. Then what is the angle? Therefore, theta is equal to, therefore, theta is equal to 45 degree. Theta is equal to 45 degree. Therefore, the inclination of the ladder with the ground is equal to, with the ground is equal to 45 degree. Inclination of with the ground is equal to 45 degree. Therefore, we use the trigonometric ratio sine theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. That is 15 by 15 root 2. That is equal to 1 by root 2. Therefore, sine of which angle is 1 by root 2? Sine 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Therefore, theta is equal to 45 degree. Therefore, the inclination of the ladder with the ground is equal to 45 degree. We can do more questions in the next class. Assignments will be given through Google Classroom. Thank you and Hari Om.